O captain, my captain, our people is done. The ship has weathered every rock. The prize we sought is won. The port is near, the best I hear. People all salty, while follow eyes steady gill. The vessel dream and daring. But oh hard, the drops of bleeding red. My captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flags come, for you the bugle rings, for you bouquets and ribbon breath, for you the shore uprowding, for you they call the swaying mass, their eager faces turning, dear captain. These arms beneath your head, leaving some dream done on the deck. You fallen cold and dead. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse, no thrill. My captain is not answer. He is pale and still. The ship is anchored, safe and sound. Its voyage is close and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship.